Welcome to today's video. In this lesson, we will learn daily use English sentences with Hindi meaning. These sentences are very useful in our daily lives. So let's begin daily use English sentences. How are you? I'm fine. What's your name? My name is Baikesh. Where are you from? I'm from India. How old are you? I am 25 years old. What do you do? I am a student. And nice to meet you. See you tomorrow. Please sit down. Don't worry. Everything is fine. I don't know. Can you help me? I'm very tired. Let's go. Open the door. Close the window. Come here. Go there. Speak slowly. Please wait for me. I understand. I don't understand. What happened? Nothing special. What time is it? It's 5 o'clock. I'm hungry. I'm thirsty. Have some water. I'm busy right now. Call me later. What's the matter? That's a good idea. I'm ready. Are you ready? Let's start. Don't be late. Wait a minute. Try again. If that's enough, and keep quiet. I am feeling sleepy. Wake up early in the morning. Brush your teeth. Wash your face. Take a bath. Comb your hair. Get ready quickly. Have your breakfast. Let's go to school. Open your book. Read carefully. Write neatly. Listen carefully. Pay attention. Stand up. Sit properly. Raise your hand. Answer the question. Don't talk in class. Be quiet. Do your homework. Don't forget. Remember this. Keep practicing. Practice makes perfect. Work hard. Believe in yourself. Don't give up. Stay positive. Stay strong. Take deep breaths. Relax your mind. Don't be afraid. Be confident. Keep learning. Don't make excuses. Do your best. Focus on your goal as you keep going. Time is precious. Don't waste time. Be punctual. Wake up on time. Reach on time. Always tell the truth. Don't tell lies. And respect your parents. Respect your teachers. Help others. Be kind to everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night. Have a nice day. See you soon. Take care. Be careful. Drive safely. Come on time. Don't shout. Don't cry. Stop it. Hold my hand. Look at me. Look over there. Keep it here. Pick it up. Put it down. Turn on the fan. Turn off the light. Open your eyes. Close your eyes. Wake him up. Call her. Don't touch it. Wait outside. Come inside. Stand outside. Don't sit here. Sit down there. Move aside. Don't go outside. Stay inside. Take this. Give me that. And show me this. Tell me more. Answer me. Don't run. Walk slowly. Walk fast. Hurry up. Wait a second. Don't open it. Keep working. Stop working. Go to bed. Get up. That's all for today's lesson. We have learned many useful daily English sentences with Hindi meaning. Practice these sentences every day. The more you practice, the more confident you will become in English speaking. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel Spoken English Without Fear. See you in the next video. Take care and keep learning.